up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be doing another what I eat in a day. I've gotten a lot of requests to do more kind of meal inspo videos where I just show you guys bits and bobs of what I eat throughout the day. If you guys are new to my channel, you should definitely hit that subscribe button. I upload frequent videos just about health, lifestyle, school, all of that fun stuff. And if you're not already, check me out on Instagram because I do a lot of behind the scenes stuff on there as well. Before we get on into the video, I did want to mention that this is kind of a weekend what I eat in a day. I do work Monday through Friday. I have an internship. I'm there from 9 to 1. And because I'm there during lunchtime, I don't really eat lunch on the weekdays. Instead, I kind of just have a little snack and then I have an early dinner on the weekdays. But this is what I would eat on a weekend when I have typically 3 meals. Also, huge shout out to Apollo Box for sending me a lot of the tools I used in this video. So last week I got a package from them and I kind of just wanted to incorporate everything they sent me into this video. So first they sent me this veggie chopper. This thing is the coolest thing ever. I go more in depth on how to use it. It made my prep time go from like 10 minutes to literally 2 minutes. So this thing has been a lifesaver lately. They also sent me one of these avocado slicers, which I tested for the first time in this video. And I was so shook on how well this thing actually works. So once again, I'll have this linked below. And finally, they sent me this really cute bear glass, which has a stirrer inside. And on the back, it says, "You make me happy." Like, how cute is this? So yeah, thank you to Apollo Box for sending me those products. And if you shop on there, don't forget to use my code for 15% off. Good morning, guys. So the first thing I always do when I wake up is just make a big glass of water. A really easy way to kind of get your water intake is just by using some lemon. So that's just what I'm gonna do today. I usually just keep a refillable water bottle in my fridge. That way my water is cold and I don't need any ice. Okay, so that was really easy. It literally just felt like I was chugging a thing of lemonade. I'm gonna go ahead and make a breakfast smoothie with these two. Just blend that up with some almond milk. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting this, clear it out, and then I'm going to add something else to it. So now that I have them both kind of cleared out of their little seeds or beads, whatever those are, I'm gonna take some honey and I'm just going to drizzle it on top. Alright, and here is my little breakfast. I know it kind of doesn't look like a lot, but the smoothie is super, super filling, especially if you add some chia seeds in there. I'll go ahead and take my first bite with you guys. The honey makes this so, so good. Alright, so for this recipe, I'm just going to be using a little bit of spinach, some tomatoes. This is a frozen little piece of corn on the cob and I'm going to thaw it out and cook it. And then some lemon. Lime would be good too. And then I'm also going to be using the little veggie chopper that I got from Apollo Box. And I'm going to kind of be using this to not only chop up some of this stuff, but kind of just like mix it all at the same time. And then I cannot tell you guys the last time I had a bowl of pasta, so I just thought it would be fun to kind of do something different today. So this is definitely not an everyday thing for me. I used to crave pasta all the time. I used to eat it so much. And then I just kind of like found other carb substitutes, if that makes sense. So I found this at Target and it's pre-cooked pasta, and I just wanted to get it to show you guys because I feel like a lot of you are going to college and living in the dorms next semester, and this is something that is really awesome because since you don't have a stove to boil pasta on, this is awesome because it's in a container, and yeah, it's processed, but I feel like it's better than like that frozen crap that you can get, you know what I mean? So I would totally look for this, you guys. I got this at Target. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and cook the tomatoes and the corn on the cob and get this cooked up too, and then I will get back to you guys. Oh, and how could I forget you guys? I'm gonna cook up, yes, cook. You guys are gonna think I'm crazy. A little bit of pineapple. I love adding either pineapple or mango to cook dishes that it goes with just because it kind of adds a little bit of sweetness to it. So as soon as these tomatoes are all cooked up, I'm gonna go ahead and just throw on a couple pieces and just let them get kind of like golden brown. And now is the fun part. I'm just gonna go ahead and take this little guy. It's so easy to use. It just comes with a little blade in the middle and you just plug it in and then you add all your ingredients. Some spinach, and I'm gonna do some tomatoes, and of course the corn, a bunch of the pineapple. So as you can see, I filled it up pretty much all the way, and then I'm just popping this on the top, and then you just pull it, and it mixes everything So then it's like more of a salsa-like consistency, because before I was using full spinach leaves. So that way it kind of almost made it into like kind of a salsa dressing. And then to assemble this, it's so easy. I've already put a couple of spinach leaves in the bottom of the bowl. It's always good just like to throw in some extra greens, and you might as well just get them. And then that pasta, another thing I thought about is portion control. That's why these things look awesome, because I feel like I always just cook way too much pasta. And then smother all of that dressing on top, and this looks so incredibly good, you guys. I actually don't think I'm going to use the lemon just because I feel like the pineapple will be fine. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, you totally should, because I post pictures of my food every day. That's why I always forget to do what I eat videos, because I feel like I'm always sharing it. All right, so that is gonna be my dinner tonight, and obviously you can customize this, but I just wanted to show you guys how easy it is to make kind of like a non-processed dressing or sauce for your pasta. All right, so before I show you guys my next move, I'm just gonna show you what I picked up from the farmer's market just now. There is this amazing farmer's market. This is one of my favorite things about being here. It's literally so close to my house. They do this market every other day, so it's really convenient. I don't have to buy a lot at once. I can just kind of buy what I need. So I got a mango for me to have for breakfast tomorrow morning. I got an avocado. I always like to keep one avocado in my house. I'm using one for dinner tonight. I also got some cucumber for today's dinner. And then I got this stuff called papaya salad. I like to add it into dishes, so I might use a little bit of it tonight. All right, so tonight we're gonna do a little sushi bowl action. So this is super customizable, but basically it's just a bowl of a little bit of rice, carrots, avocado, cucumber. I got some nori and a little papaya salad, and you can just add whatever in there. I was thinking about adding tofu, but I'm not going to. Alright, so next for this recipe, I'm super excited because I'm going to be trying out this little avocado cutter that I got from the Apollo box. I'm so excited. I can't read any of the back because it's all in Japanese, and it's funny, that happened in my last video when I used their stuff. But it seems pretty self-explanatory, and there's pictures, so I'm going to figure it out. So it's basically telling me to use the middle to cut it. And then it shows that you can use this to slice the avocado through. So I just want to make sure I do this right. So yeah, there is my perfect avocado. I'll go ahead and leave this linked below for you guys. This tool is amazing. I can't believe I'm only just getting it. It's like, literally, it did that in like 0.5 seconds. All right, so now is the fun part, and you just get to put your bowl together. So what I personally like to do is put the seaweed kind of on the side. Got my carrots, my cucumber, and of course my handy dandy little avocado. You guys, this looks amazing. I definitely think I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of pepper on top. Oh, and also I forgot to add the papaya salad, of course. This stuff is so good. Alright, you guys, that is basically it for my what I eat in a day video. I really hope this gave you some kind of inspiration or maybe motivation if you have been lacking on eating healthy lately. As usual, make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'm always posting what I'm eating on there, whether it's drinks, snacks, meals, you know it. So, and even desserts too. I post a lot of desserts on there. But that's pretty much it for today's video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.